Kia ora. This is how we do it in the far north. Just a VY Commodore here. Somebody hit a horse with it. We won't say who, but anyway, we just got to go through and wet our tires first. And now our tires are wet, we must dry them. Oh, I seem to have caught something on fire. God damn it. Hold second. Smoggy. Smoked out the whole valley, cope. Shit. Oh, what's that? Oh, there's going to be the burnout car from Nam. What to put in it? RB, 2JZ, 1UZFE, XR6 turbs, blown injected V8s. Watch the space.